Dr. Kathleen Oden from Create a New You Health Ministry, here to invite you to my 21-day challenge, my 7th annual 21-day challenge. There's going to be so much fun, and I don't want you to miss it. There's going to be challenges with prizes. There's going to be guest speakers coming on every week, 3 or 4 guest speakers to keep you pumped up and ready for the challenge. Also, the challenges, prizes to win. Don't want to miss that. And there's going to be 21 days of coaching through this 21-day challenge. So I want you to come and enjoy. I want you to leave refreshed, restored, and renewed. So don't miss it. This is the 7th annual 21-day challenge coming up in January of 2022. This is Dr. Oden signing off. I want to see you there.